All right, today we got a 2011 Ducati 848 Evo. We're going to do another Ducati lost key replacement. They send us the ignition. They send us the dashboard. So basically we'll just decode the ignition lock, figure out what the exact cuts are, and make a key from scratch. Make sure it works in this lock pretty smooth. Once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and put the chips into the keys and program it into the dashboard, and that's it. It'll be our plug and play at that point. So I'll come back once the keys are made. Like I said, we just got to figure out what the key is first. That's the part of the battle right there, figuring out the key, and then I can do the programming. I'll come back in a little bit. Thank you. All right, this puppy's done. Like I said before, this is a 2011 848. All right, so we got on, off, steering bolt lock, park. Key 1, on, off, steering bolt lock, park. That's it, both keys done. These both have chips in them. Ain't really much to say at this point. This is going back to the customer. It's going to be sent priority mail, regional box A. But, and that's it. At this point, it's just plug and play. So you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what I need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, all that good stuff. And that's about it. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.